What's up, guys? It's your boy CeeLo, back with another SmokinMetalCarFun video. If you're new to this channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell so you can get all upcoming content that I put out. Today's video, well, actually, we going to the park. We'll play at the park. But while I'm at the park, I'm gonna do an install and unwrapping because I got this from eBay, I believe. They are side view mirror visors. It was something different. They were cheap. I don't think I've ever seen one on a Magnum or none of that, so you see it on a lot of other little cars. But I'm gonna try to see what this little mod make the car look like. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and get a car cold start, man, as though we have the new intake, the new throttle body, MMX 71 performance throttle body. So we're gonna go ahead and see what it sounds like on a cold start, as long as it still start up as usual. But yeah, this is where we at today. We're gonna check this out and see what it's like. So let's go. I know y'all seen all my other Smoking Metal shirts, hoodies, sweatpants, things like that. So I actually do have new merch. This is also one of my t-shirts from the clothing line. You know, of course my skull gotta be there with the SmokinMetalCarFun. Then you got one right here on the patch. This is something simple, nothing major, just a nice old t-shirt promoting my YouTube channel and promoting my SmokinMetalCarFun website as well. Website will be up real soon for you guys to be able to go take a look and check out all the merch that I do have up on the website because I'm posting it. And it's all in-house made except for the clothing. You know, the shirts, of course, we pre-order. So if anyone looking for any shirts, just hit me up. If you like any of the shirts that you have seen on my video, let me know. I'll let y'all know as soon as I had a website up. So let's get back into this. Down in the comments what y'all think about SXT6 or the SXT-V6. I like the 6. So that's the new name to her. It ain't a Magnum SXT 3.5. It is a Magnum SXT6 2.0. New version. So stick around. Got more to come for it. Lot more aggressive. So we're gonna go to the park and we're gonna do this install and check it out and see what it is. I do have more 3M, so just in case this little piece of 3M don't work, I got more. So let's get it. It's your boy CeeLo back, and I'm out here at the park, and my daughters out here in the skate park with the guys and everything.
The Baltimore Beat Kings.
You know? So. Where you at? Can you make it up the little ramp? What? Make it up the little ramp. Yeah. Go up it. Up and over. Up and over. Keep going. Up and over. Go ahead. You can do it. Put your feet on it. Put your feet on it. You gotta put both of your feet on it. You're supposed to put both of your feet on it while you coming down the hill. Like you ride like that, that's how you supposed to come down. With both feet on it.
I'm scared to do that.
I know it's your first time, but it's okay.
I never done this before.
I know you haven't. It's your first time. Hey, that's bad. I'm just gonna say. Now, both of your feet on there and go down. I'm trying to get her to put both her feet on the scooter as she ride down the hill, but she's scared. They'll come over here eventually. They can see you. All right, well, you go ahead and ride. I'm gonna go ahead. All right, I'm gonna try to watch you one more time, and I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this video real quick. All right, pay attention. All right. Oh. All right, go ahead. You need some speed to go up the ramp. Go ahead. What happened? Yeah. What happened? You gonna go up the ramp? Oh.
I'm not ready for it.
You gonna tell me you gonna go up the ramp? You got my viewers thinking that you was gonna take the ramp and then you chickened out. You getting ready to go for it? Huh? Okay, because I'm getting ready to stop videoing. You start videoing what I gotta do. We're gonna go ahead and get this video going. Now, to be honest with y'all, I don't know if it's gonna stick right now. This is just a test, just so I can see. And like I told y'all, I got the little 3M strip on it. Little visor, of course. Check it out, see how it looks. Uh-oh. Might look alright, y'all. Let's get this. Okay. See? Have a problem feeling this tape. Here we go. So we're gonna see. You see how much 3M tape they got on that? That ain't a lot. So that's for that side, this one's for that side. Go ahead and peel this one. Alright. I don't want that down the engine bite. So that don't look half bad. The carbon fiber right there on there. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put the passenger side on. It's not too bad. So there we go. Eyebrows, carbon fiber. My side view mirrors got to get painted. But yeah, that's it. I think that's gonna bring it out a little bit, make it pop. So I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of this B-roll, and I get back with y'all in a minute. One little mod can make a big difference to your car, and I think it came out great. Got a few more things I need to do, but just for now, she's getting there. So stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell so y'all get all upcoming content that I put out. Because we are definitely, you know what I say? Try to turn my lights on. See what we get. See how she look in the park. Real quick. Hopefully everything is lit up like it's supposed to be. So let's go ahead. There we go. That's how she should look. Now we need all that to light up in there. So we're gonna stop messing around with it, and we getting ready to get back into the game and start videoing like we supposed to. So make sure y'all come back, check us out, because more to come, so much more to go. Nothing but growth from here. As my boy CJ on 32 say, nothing but up. Nothing but up. So we are SmokinMetalCarFun. Yes, I am SmokinMetalCarFun. So we're gonna try to continue to keep rising and keep having fun. So, like I tell y'all always, be safe, have fun, and enjoy yourselves. Because we only got one life to live. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Hey, that's okay. I was gonna say, start it up. Just the V6, but we're going up. We're gonna start chasing down V8s if we don't run them over. So I catch y'all. Now let me see you do it again. Now let me see you do it one more time. One more time. Come on, let me see you do it one more time. You got it. Come on. Come on. Let me see you show off for the skateboarders and the bikers. Come on. You got it. I'm out here with you. Go ahead. Go ahead. All the way up. Go ahead. Up. All right. Hey, but guess what, though? For your first time, you did pretty good. Next time, you might make it to the top. Because guess what? To the top is all we know, right? All we know about is the top. Are we getting ready to go? I don't know. You better go ahead. All right, well then I suggest you ride then if you don't want to go yet. You started, you ain't bring your bike, huh?
Bike's broken.
What? Oh, you see it. Hey, I told you. Fix it. You can fix it. Excuse me, bro. I don't mean to get you in the video.
There's like a website behind you.
Oh, he probably the one you need to talk to on the customization because he doing custom work on his bike too, and I like them tires. They hard. What website did you go on?
It's called. I have a sticker of it on my bike somewhere.
Oh, my son might be trying to get some tires look like that, or they might have some.
I think it's on like a lot of different websites. You just gotta search for it.
They nice. Now you can come about the white tires and do some shit like that.
I just put white.
And they fat too. I like how fat they are. They fat.
Yeah, they're really like. They kind of like when you don't have a lot of air in them, it's really soft.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they nice looking tires though, bro.
Well, I mean, with the
I
tricks
should have
he's
brought my
doing, you
bike.
want them a little soft.
Hermie?
With the tricks you're doing, you would want them a little soft so they don't bust.
Hermie?
Huh?
I should have brought my